Okay, so we're here at Preston Beach in Marblehead, and we saw in the news, there's sad news yesterday, that a dead whale had washed up on the beach. We're gonna try to see if we can get some coverage. I don't know if we can see it from where we're gonna be standing, but we're probably gonna have to send our drone out to see it, to find it. Okay. There's a drone in. Okay, there's the sad, it's sad. I'm gonna try to get my drone over for just a closer look. Okay, we're here on the seawall. Wanted to try to get another view of the whale. It's sad, but it's huge, and I'm not sure what kind of whale it is, but I think it's a hump. I think it might be a baby humpback, just because of the shapes of its fins. Might have been dead for several days too.